I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your OS version supports widgets and you have admin or account access. Once done, open the built-in widget app or the system widget store to begin. Make sure to enable necessary permissions, notifications, location, and startup access so widgets can run. If a widget requires a companion app, install it now. This gets you right into the interface, no wasted setup, and you're ready to search and add widgets immediately. You now pick the widget you want and assess why it fits your workflow. Search by category, clock, calendar, system monitor, or custom, then install. During install, check requested permissions and bundled components. Accept only what's necessary. Once installed, open the widget settings to configure size, refresh rate, and data sources. Choose an interval like 1 min or 5 min for updates. Finally, place the widget on the desktop or sidebar and adjust snapping so it stays where you need it. Finish by ensuring the widget launches at startup and that live data sources update correctly. Test links and interactions. If the widget seems sluggish, lower the refresh rate or disable heavy visuals to save CPU. Make sure background permissions and firewall rules allow data access. If it fails, restart the widget service or the laptop, then reinstall the widget and reauthorize permissions. One key troubleshooting tip. Check the firewall and privacy settings first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.